Are your fingers stuck?
Help.
You need help? They're stuck?
Help.
Let's push this up and then they'll get unstuck. There you go. You okay? Okay, good. Inside.
Oh.
You want to get in? You want to get inside the cart?
Yeah. Hey, please.
Please, you want to get inside the cart?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to come up and sit right here?
Sit.
Okay. Good. I'll help you.
Happy.
Uh-oh. Hang on. There we go.
Right then.
Look where your feet are going inside.
Push.
Push.
Ah. Down. Down.
This one's not really working for pushing. Sorry. It's stuck. Dada's ready to go get in the car. Yeah. Okay, I was making a movie of you. Do you want to say bye-bye to the movie?
Bye-bye.